Victor Kusi. Yeah, the prophecy ba say abatwa ye bi ye be hu Ghana asofo a wo mo ye men na ya sen hu asofo a wo mo sanso eye boys na papa yi Ghana fo do so ponu pama ne nkom hyene ade nyina ambam anti prophet Kofi Oduro say samba mu de ono so beja na so dem a kire opefe say wono say wo kan say ye be hu boys ne hu eye boys and men wo be trust ne wo kan men fo no me prophet Kofi Oduro ho na no ye o de ma eye prophet Victor Kusi my
following the footsteps. So he said, take up your cross, deny yourselves and follow me. I have never been shocked in my life like this current election. The shocker of all is my personal MP, Honorable Patrick Yabuama. I never believe, even to this morning. It takes only a fool who cannot sit down to reflect. There is no MP I know that is best like my MP. Over 200 people are studying in the universities right now on scholarship from this constituency. So by now, if this MP goes through this, everybody must be able to come to a sober reflection. What went wrong? You think this is not part of church? Then your mind is away from the truth. We are not talking about this MP, we are talking about you. This thing applies to everybody. Tia, bring your mind. For 8 years now, this voice has been screaming, ranting to Jubilee House. Be careful, be humble, connect with the people, don't lose the common touch. They will not listen. They will not listen. They will not listen to the point that this year, from May, my personal life, from our personal intel, was under threat. I have to travel to live in the United States for almost 1 month because you don't have to be in Ghana. Me to United States here, me kwatena baby 1 month agedie. Oba sorry, how we say me took 4 Sundays there. Because somebody don't want truth. Me so me jumeni and I'm screaming on it. Manye we are pause me and I'm screaming on it.
Intiene and I'm so many kwatena USA for 1 solid month. That's serious. But the most serious aspect, a do for now, most come it's a prophet Kofi Oduro. It's not once an original I show you more. I can say about how disappointed that why due to a political and I say election outcome be so far so nakasa personal MP Patrick Yabuama of Kaikwe Central air concern. Now face on a do for trophone almost come no a bimo crab now how can say we will see the men from the boys. We know Sebe. Into Famanonka. Prophet Kofi Oduro and you're no more the same level. It's your Nwakasa. I can't say anything.
It's not a joke. It's not a joke. When great people come into prominence, they should never forget it has a validity period. Yeah, it has a validity period. 8 years felt like it will never come. On the 6th of January, 8 years will be elapsed. Asa. And then my president will be a former president. Possibly, if I speak from that angle, maybe he will appreciate it. But I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, somebody have lost. I can't believe even till now. I don't believe till now. My MP? No, I can't. I still can't get it together. Now, I can't get it together. Not them. Think about it. So, sweetie, it's not a joke. God has given you life, resources, time, money, relationships, people. You can't be wasting it. And you see, when we have opportunity and all stuff like that, people call, you avoid calls, you will be friend or cat and ultimate block and all that. Sweetie, it doesn't take long for the tables to turn. I'm telling you. It doesn't. And Channel masses. So when you disrespect people, step down on people, and all that kind of thing because you have something now. So 9 minutes to go and know what you reach him. It is only the fool who will not reflect. And like I said, if you have an entrenched position, and this is why I tell you, put your party at the gate. When you are coming forward, party in to abandon in a better as in 18 years. Go on, you see a preach it to your party. You preach it to your party. If somebody have told Nkrumah that a day will come, your party will not even have one seat in parliament, he will never believe. A day is coming. Your party will not even have one seat. After being in government as a one-party state with dominance, he will never believe, but they see. We don't even have one seat for CPP in parliament. One. And so when I used to scream from 2016 and I used to tell NPP and NDC, I said, you better be careful because very soon, a Debbie Beba mo party it will shock you what I'm saying, but time evolves. Time evolves. Now I see hypocrites. The Bible said, the Siddha is there, where the Bible was talking about in Ezekiel chapter number 13. The Bible said clearly, it said, tell the foolish prophets that I have not spoken to them. You surround yourself with people and all they are telling you is what you want to hear. You are the best. You will win the next election. God will give you a second, third, fourth, whatever term, and they are excited. They are excited. Who doesn't know? I mean, serious. Especially when you come to hear people say, no, I mean Ezekiel. Get it for me. Ezekiel. Tell the foolish prophets that I, the Lord, I have not spoken to them. I'm waiting for the scripture, then we can work. Ezekiel. The Bible said yearly, they have seen vanity, lying divination. The Lord saith, I have not sent them. Go back to verse 2. Let me possibly look at verse number 2. Son of man, prophesy against the prophets that prophesy and say to them that prophesy against the prophets of Israel that prophesy and say thou unto them that prophesy out of their hearts, hear ye the word of the Lord. Go to the next verse. The next verse, the Bible said, any problems? Thus saith the Lord, woe unto the foolish prophet. Take it in my language. Sevrade, unyankopon sie ni wonye, adifo enkewe ase ia fe o Nkwasiafo. Adifo Honorable Park, adifo Nkwasiafo. Bebre wagana. They told this government that they will win. They even said that they will prove to the nation that there are boys from men. Kwasi Now the Bible said, "Se onyame on kasa nchiri obi no one people akode na dwene kasa na nkomhye na memua." That prophet should not be feared. That word feared should not be regarded, should not be respected, should not be honored, should not. That prophet spoke out of flesh. Hunam dia yebenye dia untimi ma onsemo. Kwasi ankomshene, kwasi adifo ne, kwasi adiye ne, kwasi adwuma no a mode tigana ha. Pia! Asi adwene. Wa ba bi amode o makoduru. Muntimi nshankom yempanifu adwaman yempanifu krono yempanifu nsehunu. You can't tell that yende wa hana ye shankom ya mebe ye okasiye. You will be the because they are giving you dollars. Abro so match na madiawi.
Ye tie daddy, ye tie say who say munyina mo ye men. Munyina mo ye men in the system. Ekwentwa na mbeso makra.